What if I told you the next big leap in AI video isn't just better visuals, but smarter storytelling, real motion physics, character consistency, and audio generated at the same time? Something big is coming. Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms right now, is preparing to release Seedance 2.0, and early signals across the internet are pointing towards something serious. Today, we're breaking down what's publicly known, what creators are expecting, why this might set a new bar for AI storytelling, and how you can get early access. Higgsfield's mission is very clear: build the most creator-friendly AI video platform in the world. They've already pushed major improvements from Seedance 1.0 to 1.5 Pro, and now 2.0 is on the way. If you've been following AI video evolution, you already know the space is moving insanely fast. But Seedance 2.0 feels different. Let me show you why. Let's start with the official Seedance 2.0 page. Right away, the messaging hints at more cinematic control, stronger motion, better realism, and deeper multimodal input. They're positioning this as not just a quality upgrade, but a storytelling upgrade. That's important, because AI video isn't just about pretty frames anymore. It's about narrative flow, character continuity, emotion timing, and Seedance 2.0 seems built around exactly that. Now, here's where things get interesting. CapCut posted a teaser referencing Seedance 2.0, and that got people talking. Why? Because when platforms at this scale hint at something, it usually means the tech behind it is powerful. The teaser clips show smooth motion, clean lighting, very stable characters, and cinematic pacing, not the jittery, melting face look we sometimes see in early AI video. The community reaction? Let's check Reddit. This thread in r/singularity exploded quickly. Recurring themes in comments. Character consistency looks insane. Motion physics are finally realistic. This feels like a real editing tool. Is this replacing traditional video production? And here's the pattern I keep seeing. People aren't just impressed, they're surprised. That's when you know something might actually shift the market. Now, let's break down the rumored capabilities, based on public sources and early reports. Reminder, specs are not officially confirmed and may change at launch. This is huge. Reports suggest Seedance 2.0 can mix up to 12 inputs at once. That means character image, dance reference video, background music, text prompt, maybe even audio references, and instead of treating them separately, the model understands how they interact. Imagine uploading a character, a choreography reference, and a soundtrack, and it generates a fully synchronized clip. That's next-level workflow. This might be one of the biggest upgrades. Seedance 2.0 appears to generate video and matching audio at the same time. So, footsteps sync with walking, ambient sounds match environment, dialogue fits the scene. No separate sound design stage. That cuts production time massively for YouTubers, for short-form creators, for indie filmmakers. 3 in-model editing, 5:30 to 6:15. This one is crazy. Instead of regenerating an entire clip, you might be able to swap characters, change backgrounds, extend scenes, merge shots, just using prompts. That means iteration becomes faster, and iteration speed is everything in creative workflows. Sources suggest 1080p output, approximately 30% faster generation versus 1.5 Pro, better textures, better lighting, more realistic color grading. If this holds true, that's professional level output speed. Early demo clips show smooth athletic movement, realistic body mechanics, complex choreography. AI motion has historically struggled with limbs balance weight distribution. If Seedance 2.0 solves this, that's a breakthrough moment. This might be the real game changer. Instead of isolated clips, you get narrative sequences. Characters remain consistent. Lighting adapts to context. Scenes transition logically. That's basically automated editing intelligence. Facial features, outfits, accessories, locked. That's one of the hardest problems in AI video. If they crack this properly, that's huge for series-based creators. No mobile app. This is web-based only. And honestly, if 2.0 delivers what the signals suggest, this could compete with the top AI video tools out there. We're entering a new phase of AI video. Phase 1. Generate short experimental clips. Phase 2. Improve quality. Phase 3. Control plus storytelling. Seedance 2.0 feels like Phase 3. Not just prettier AI, smarter AI. And that's why creators are watching this closely. To get access, use my unique link in the description as well. So, the big question is Seedance 2.0 hype? Or is it the next real jump in AI storytelling? We'll find out soon, but based on early signals, this is absolutely one to watch. If you're excited about AI video evolution, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what feature are you most excited for? I'll see you in the next one.